Hi there, I'm Elise Arcus, and I really do look forward to the opportunity to work with you. I wanted to take this opportunity to go through some forms as we are required by law to have any individual we engage in any type of real estate conversation sign disclosure forms, knowing your options as a real estate consumer and also a privacy notice. These forms, I want to say first of all, do not marry you to myself or Chris in any way, shape, or form, as they do not to any other real estate agent, and everyone follows the same rules with having to have these signed when engaging in real estate conversations. So I'm going to take this time to quickly go over these so I can send you the email link to my video and then an e-signing form for you to be able to sign these papers, so I've done my due diligence as I should as a professional. So first of all, we'll go over the Know Your Options as a Real Estate Consumer form, and it looks like this. It is a 4-page document that goes over your options when buying and selling real estate. So I'm going to go over those options with you here quickly. So it's going to tell you that you either have the option of being a client of a real estate professional who will represent you in a transaction, or you also have the option of being an unrepresented party with no professional representing you. The benefits of representation is you're going to get expert advice. In BC, we're licensed professionals and receive very specific training. Protection, real estate professionals in BC are licensed under the Real Estate Services Act, and the legislation is designed to protect the rights of consumers. And oversight, we also have a governing body who makes sure we're all doing our job correctly and that the consumers are being protected. What to expect as a client? You can expect loyalty. We must put your interests first, even before our own. Avoid conflicts of interest. We must avoid any situation that may affect my duty to act in your best interests. We must fully disclose all relevant information to you. Must give you all the facts that I know that might affect your decisions. And I must protect your confidentiality. I can never reveal your reasons for buying, selling, leasing, renting, the minimum or maximum price that you're seeking, or any preferred terms and conditions with a buyer or seller. And basically, as an unrepresented party, you can expect to receive none of that. So no loyalty, no duty to avoid conflicts, no full disclosure, and no confidentiality. The third page is a mandatory real estate confirmation clause, and I've gone ahead and checked those boxes saying that I have explained to the consumer the disclosure of representation and trading services form. I've explained the special legal duties owed by real estate professionals to their client and explained the risks of being an unrepresented party in a real estate transaction. And I will represent this client under designated agency. So I'll go ahead and sign that form before I send that off to you. And then the optional consumer confirmation, I've also checked those boxes for you because I've sent you the link to this video and we've gone over the forms by email. I confirm the real estate professional disclosed the special legal duties owed to their clients. I confirm the real estate professional disclosed the differences between a client and an unrepresented party. And I confirm the real estate professional disclosed the risks of being an unrepresented party. I confirm that I will be a client represented by the real estate agent under designated agency. Now, that's the only agency my brokerage offers. So I'm going to go ahead and put your name down, date it, and send you that for e-signing. I'm going to make a quick note of this form, although we're not going to go over it in depth right now, just because we're not going to be using it unless you make the choice of becoming an unrepresented party. If you feel comfortable with real estate transactions and have done a lot and decide that you want to be an unrepresented party in the future, there's the form. It's unrepresented in a real estate transaction, know the risks. It's a disclosure of risks to unrepresented parties. So that would be an additional piece of paperwork if you decided to go that route. And then the final paperwork is a privacy notice and consent. So I'll just date it and your names are on it. I don't have to sign this one. It just explains what we do with your private information, which is keep that private. I really do look forward to the opportunity to help you with any of your future real estate transactions. It's a pleasure having you watch my video and letting you give me this opportunity to potentially help you in the future. If I can help you in any way, shape, or form, please never hesitate to call or email or text anytime. I'm happy to answer those questions. Good luck moving forward.